Welcome to Let's Learn at Fort Monroe. Today I want to talk about one of the latest projects here at the Fort, the Preservation Workshop. But before we jump into that, I want to tell you about how cool the history is of this building and this spot. Before the building you see behind me, this spot was originally for the Liberty Theater, which proudly displayed a German railgun. In 1939, the submarine mine depot was constructed. The Navy used this to help store, assemble, and prep submarine mines for testing. If you look at the rear of the building, you can still see the two prominent wings and bay doors where tracks would have run in and out of the wings to help transport the mines. In the late 40s, the Army converted the second story into offices, and in the 70s, built into the foundation, a Mosler safe was installed. Now, what's so cool about the Mosler Safe Company is for a period of time, they were trusted as America's main contractor for blast doors and silos and bunkers. One Mosler safe installed in Japan actually survived the nuclear attack. Since then, this building has been used as a Department of Public Works, and it still retains its original light fixtures, brick wall, Mosler safe, and Art Deco style. Now, the Fort Monroe Authority were excited about the inside being converted into a state-of-the-art preservation workshop to help us retain the historic aspects of the buildings here at Fort Monroe. Thank you for watching Let's Learn at Fort Monroe. Make sure to follow us on Facebook and subscribe to us on YouTube so that way you can join me in the next episode.